Welcome to our channel Cooking with Babee. Today we are going to make tandoori chicken followed by butter chicken.
And the butter chicken is a recipe requested by Gargi, which is Uncle Rohan's daughter. So that's coming up. Okay, to make tandoori chicken, what do we need, Tara? What is this?
We need chicken.
Yes, but for the chicken, what we have done with it is, this needs a 10-minute marinade. And because our editing skills aren't very good, I've already done this before. So we have taken chicken, we put turmeric, very little, lime juice, which as you know from our previous video is green lemon, and we've put ginger garlic paste. And this we've left for 15 minutes when you are watching cartoons. What else do we need, Tara?
We need red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and we need tandoori powder, black pepper and some turmeric.
So what we do is, do you just put everything in here? Yeah, that's what we do. Everything in this. Now, Tara, what we need for marinade is, what is this thing? What is this?
Yogurt!
So we take, do you want to take 3-4 spoons of it?
1.
Okay, if that's the size of your spoon, put 4. There you go. You go. There you go.
2.
Yeah. Do it sideways. 3.
4.
There you go. Let's just show them how much it is. So it is not something that is too runny, but you also don't want something that is very little. So what we are going to do now is, we're going to pause the video, mix all of this together. So tandoori chicken is actually a very simple recipe. So you're going to mix this together, then add some salt, and then we're going to come back to it and put it in the grill followed by the oven. So you're going to get some mixing done. If you're using hands, let's wash your hands before, but let's use the spoon for now.
To show them my hands.
Yeah, wait.
Show them my handsy. Hello,
wait.
hello.
There you go. Hey, mix. What we need to do after all of this, Tara, we need to wash our hands with good soap.
Yes, because look at me.
Yeah.
Man.
Right, so we are still mixing. Whilst the mixing is happening, what we do is we add some oil.
Hello.
Hey, keep mixing. And also some salt. So I've already added the salt while the camera was off. But here we go. Right, so we've done all the mixing. And the mixing included oil. In the reverse order, we had oil, we had yogurt, we had some ginger garlic paste, we had turmeric, tandoori powder, black pepper, garam masala, and some red chili powder. So what we have done now is we've put the grill on at whatever max temperature it goes, and we are going to put it on the grill for 10 minutes on one side, 5 to 7 minutes on the other side, and then put them in the oven at about 200 degrees, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, for about 35 minutes or maybe about 25 minutes to see how it is. So the grill gives it that slight burnt mark, and then the oven at the end cooks it fully. Once all of this has happened, we're going to taste our tandoori chicken and then followed by the butter chicken recipe. Right, Tara, you want to pick up the meat and put it on. There we go, put it on the edge, very good. Put the other one, and you can keep some of the rest of the yogurt to sort of brush it at the end. So let's get some hand washing done and chuck them in the grill.
Okay.
Right, so my oven's just beat for 10 minutes. Let's just have a look how it's looking. Yes, this is exactly how it should be. Let me see if we can get the camera up there. I need 2 hands. Oh, you can actually see it, yeah. So this is what we mean by the burnt marks. So we need that on top, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to flip it. You can also use, if you see the marinade has run out, the rest of the marinade on top, but we are looking pretty good, so I won't do that. But if your marinade is looking a bit dry, you can use that to brush it on top. What I'm going to do is flip it around and put it in the grill for another maybe 5 to 6 minutes. Around 60 to 70% of the time you put in for the first time because it's already cooked. We need to get some char marks on the other side. So let me do that, and then we will put that in the oven. Make sure to switch off your smoke alarm, otherwise that's going to happen. Right, so I'm going to flip this, and then I'm going to put my smoke alarm back on. And then once we flipped it, we will put it back in the grill. Right, so the oven has gone, the timer has gone, and I'll put my door open so that my smoke alarm doesn't go off. So this is the point. Ooh, it's heavy. So I'll show you. So this is the point, which is pretty much cooked, but we just want to make sure that it is cooked through and through. So we're going to put it in the oven for around 20-25 minutes. So let's put that in the oven here. My oven is set to about 190-200 degrees, and we're going to put it for about 20 minutes and see what happens with it. If you have a meat thermometer, that is really good. Put the thermometer in and see if it reads around 85-87 degrees or above. That means your chicken has been fully cooked. So once that is done, I'll come back, and then our tandoori chicken should be ready. And once the tandoori chicken is ready, we are going to do the butter chicken, which was the primary reason we made our tandoori chicken, because butter chicken is made with leftover or grilled tandoori chicken. See you in a bit. Right, so the oven has just beeped, and I'm going to put the chicken here, and then let's see how it is. Ooh, smoky dara. Jesus. Oopsie. There we go. This is a tandoori chicken. How does it smell, Tara?
Tandoori.
Yay! So, as a last step, what we do is there's something called as chaat masala, which is, I think it is dried mango powder along with some salt and some other spices. So what we do is we take a little bit on a hand of this, and we just go sprinkle on top. And what you can then do is, this is tandoori chicken ready. The only thing remaining now is to eat it. I'll just mention a quick tip. The marinade that we made for the tandoori chicken, leave that. You can use that in any of the other recipes that we use. And in the next recipe, Tara, what are we going to do?
Turn it into butter chicken.
Okay, so for people who are just watching tandoori chicken and maybe not joining us for butter chicken, keep watching our channel. What's the channel called, Tara?
Cooking with Babee.
See you in some time. Bye-bye. Time to eat some tandoori.